Traders, markets are down this morning. Let's take a look at the SPY. We're down 0.45% from last Friday's close. If we look at last Friday's session, we gapped down. We did have jobs report, and it came out really good. Over 220,000 jobs created, and we gapped down. We sold off the first part of the morning, and then right before the afternoon came along, we rallied, and we rallied pretty hard to close the gap. If we look at the daily here, looks really nice. We're up here at the top here. Looks like we're going to consolidate for a little bit here and see if we blast over 300 or if we drop below 290. If we drop and we get momentum, it'll go right down to 290. Fast, pretty fast. But if we blast over 300, that's another story. We'll see what happens this week. The problem is there's not too much volume. A lot of people on vacation, taking a lot of time off, so it's going to be slow. The markets will be slow. Let's take a look at our movers this morning. On the move, we got AMD up 1% pre-market. It's trading over 1 million shares traded pre-market here. SGMO up 15%, almost 500,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. SYMC up almost 5% this morning. 455,000 traded pre-market. That's in play. We got a few here we can work with. We also stream these every weekday morning around 8:30 alongside market gauges like the SPY, QQQ, DIA, VXX. Every weekday morning around 8:30, you can check it out if you're interested. NVDA, we're going to take this for a short right here. A little early, but I like the way it's acting here. All right, we're in. We're in at 157.92. Daily looks really nice for a short. Put on this big topping tail here, and then it just dropped all last week. It's a little extended to the downside, but the market is dropping. Let's take a look at the intraday here. Stop loss will be over 158.50, and target, I like it below 157.50. But I might let this one ride just a little bit because the market's downtrending, so this might just be a squeeze here from all the shorts, and then it'll turn around and drop. If we look at the SPY here, look at this thing. This thing's dropping really hard. So this thing should follow suit here, NVDA, anyway. I did jump in the trade a little earlier, but it looked good. We'll see. NVDA, all right, here it comes. All right, here we go. NVDA. I'm going to take this right here. All right, we're out. Just I see a big bottoming tail on the SPY, which tells me the market might reverse here. So I don't want to leave 35 cents on the table since I was already losing on it. So I'll take that first opening trade. NVIDIA, we're going to take this for another short right here at the ask. All right, we're in. I don't think it's done dropping. I think it's going to go below the lows here. Market is dropping. Here we go. Just going to take it for about 30-40 cents if we can. We're in at 157.74. If we look at the market here, it's just inches away from the lows, and it should take everything with it. Here it comes. All right, we're going to try to take this right here. All right, we're out for another 30 cents. Take that for a total of about 70 cents. Ah, now it drops even harder. I should have waited. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Looks ready to turn. It's going to go without us. Yep, there it goes. Probably still get in it. You know what? We're going to try this right here at the ask. All right, we're in. I think this thing goes below 229. Stop loss will be over around 230, and target, I like it around 228.50. Below there. Here it comes. I didn't like the entry, but I think it cracks right here. I did not like my entry, but it looks really good here. Just need to crack 229. Then it should be fairly dramatic here. All right, here we go. All right, let's try it again here, 229. If it don't crack soon, I'm coming out of it. All right, we're at our stop. We'll let it fluctuate for a little bit, and if it don't drop soon, we'll just come out of it. All right, we're going to come out of this trade right here. I don't like it anymore. Let me push this up. All right, we're out. We're out with about, what is that, 40-cent loser? Yeah, I should have dropped. It's not dropping. And if we get a squeeze there, it'll be a pretty dramatic one over 230.50, and I don't want no part of that. It looks like it's going to do. Maybe we'll take it later. TSLA, we're going to take this for a short right here at the asks. All right, we're in. Second trade on it. We took it earlier and we lost about what is that, about 45 cents, 40 cents. But it popped over a point from where we got out, and now I see this topping tail here, so I think it drops now. We can get back our 40 cents and some. Stop loss will be around over 231.25, and target I like it below 230. All right, here it comes to get back at least what I lost. TSLA. All right, it's looking good here. TSLA, I almost got out on this candle, but stayed in it. Let's see if it pays off. TSLA, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with a 2-cent winner on that one. Yeah, I don't see it dropping here. If I look at the SPY here, the SPY is igniting, and that's not a good sign for this stock, especially since it's been consolidating in this area for a while. I almost got out up here with the loss, but then it turned right away, and I'm like, okay. But the market's telling me to get out. I got out. TSLA, look at that. Good thing we got out of it. Look at that. Market started climbing, and all the shorts that were in it had to cover it. They all put their stops up here. Roku, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. If we can get hit before it breaks out. This looks great here. Breakout over the top. Just want to get hit before it goes. Roku, we're in. We're in at 102 cents. It looks really good here. It looks like it's going to fluctuate here for a little bit and then blast over the top and continue. Stop loss on this one will be below 99.50, and target, I like it. It's close to 101 if possible, especially if it picks up a lot of orders here, a lot of short orders, and then they have to cover, because a lot of people will go short this up here because it's so high. That's a big rally, so a lot of people will go short up here and put their stop right over the highs, and if it don't drop, those people got to cover, and boom, blasts right off. Maybe right now. But if we look at the daily, today looks good. It was up really big. Then it took a big dip, consolidated, and now it's moving strong up. So let's take a look at this thing up close here. Yeah, I like this silver up close to 101, especially if it breaks this 25-cent area here. All right, here we go. It's taking off. See how far it goes here. You know what? Let's take this right here if we can. All right, we're out of 100. All right, we're going to push this down. All right, we're out. Nice. Took another 40 cents off of that. I should have waited, but I'm a little gun shy because of the market. The market looks like it's about to turn here. And if this sucker turns here, it'll be a good sized drop, especially after it broke out there. But that's okay. We took about a little over 40 cents. BA. We're going to take this right here for a short if we can at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in at 351.90. It's a good size mover, but if we look at the daily here, it's been downtrending for a while, formed a base, and it broke below it today. Intraday it gaps down, gets bought up by all the dippers at the first couple of candles, and then consolidated, dropped, moved up again. Now it's over the 9, and now I think this thing has no choice but to drop here. I think it only climbed because the market climbed. So it got some bad news over the weekend. So I think the stock will drop to, we'll try to take it somewhere around 151. It's got to be a good size stop on this thing because this sucker can move. And stop loss will be close to 353. About a point each way. But the market looked like it was tipping, and it didn't tip. If we look at the SPY here, look. It started tipping here, which looked good, and boom, it just went right back up. But this stock, I think it goes down. I don't think it has much of a choice. People are afraid to buy it. If they lose more orders, the stock will drop. BA, it's coming up. If it doesn't drop soon, we'll probably come out of it. But I think it will. I think it'll just poke here, turn around, drop. Problem is the volume. It's very low on volume. BA, it's looking good here. We're going to take it right here if we can. Right here. All right, we're out. We're out. I just market it off of that one just because it's been dropping for a bit here. And I don't want to leave, is that 70 cents on the table? Gave me a little scare up here, but it turned around and started to drop. And once it broke the 252 area the second time, it just dropped. But that's going to be it for me today. We're up 192. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 small winners, 1 break even, and a loser. Our biggest winner on BA and our loser on TSLA. Thanks for watching.